Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a Halloween look, and I just love doing these. I haven't done this many since a couple years ago. So I not recently, but I think a few years ago, Nikki Tutorials did like a was it like half demon and then regular, and she looked like she was pulling up her skin or something like that. Looked so cool. So I'm like, you know what? I want to do something like that. So I'm going to do it's going to go across my face basically. And then probably make this side like very a glam eye highlight poppin', And then I think I'm going to do the clown on this side. I'm just gonna kind of mash those two together and see how it looks. Let's get started. Oh, by the way, if you guys have never had these, get on it. Like, if you love spicy stuff like I do, this is the bomb. They're the best Pringle out there. Let's get into this Halloween look slash glam slash get it together, Rachel. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, so let's get it started. All right, so how this is gonna work, I'm kind of looking at a picture, just kind of like how it goes and everything, and how the pulled up skin looks, or how it's supposed to go, and lines and everything, because I mean, I'm not the best. I'm not great at this, so I need a picture for, I forget the word. I need a picture for guidance, I guess you would say. So I'm gonna use like a nude pencil just because I want to kind of map it out first before I go in with like something harsh, and then I have to start all over. So I'm gonna start with this. I'm just using the Rimmel Scandal Eyes nude pencil, or nude kohl pencil, eye pencil. I don't know, it's an eye pencil. I don't have a glue stick or anything, so, and I really don't have eyebrows really, so I can't glue them down. But if you want to glue them down and like totally make sure they disappear, go for it. Like, yes. But if you don't, like I do, and I don't really have brows, so I'll just, hopefully it'll cover up with the paint really good. We will see, won't we? So, gosh, my skin is just not having it with all this makeup that I've been wearing. This little friend. Like, I did not invite you to just be on my face. Like this side? Good. This side, it's like, girl, no thank you. It's like, fine, be that way. Okay, enough with the chit chat. All right, let's start off. Gosh, I suck, man, with lines and everything, trying to make sure everything's like straight and stuff. I'm like the worst at it. It's just not in my favor. Either one side is higher than the other side, or like I'm trying to make a straight line and like, bleh. This pencil is really good at mapping things out because it's really, really creamy. And if you make a mistake, as you've seen, I could just wipe it away and it's like gone. So it's easy peasy. So I would recommend that. For show. So I wonder if I did it too high. I think I did it a little high, because then if I did it, I have like nothing to do the lines. Let's try this again. All right, let's move to the lines finally. Yes. Okay. It's kind of coming together, even though we just started. I think I'm getting ahead of myself. All right. Cool. Probably should have done the lines before. Yep. All right. I guess I went a step ahead. So I would just draw the line first. A bit too excited. So I'm gonna go and put the foundation on this side and everything. I'm just taking any foundation I have. I'm just using the Huda Beauty one. I probably did not need 2 pumps, but for this little amount of space. Oh, this is gonna be so hard to get close to the lines. That's the worst part. Getting foundation in your hair. Not a good look. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with concealer on this side. And of course I did this on my side where, because I'm right-handed, so it'd be easier, but I have to go like across. Wrinkle, man. Wrinkle! Hit it! Now I'm gonna go in with powder, like normal. I'm just gonna use the Coty Airspun powder. Stuff smells so good. It's strong, but I think it smells lovely. It's so weird. I'm so used to going all over my face. Part of me wants to go like, new. Wipe off any excess. Wipe off any excess. All right. The little spot that we have, I'm gonna bronze up the area I would normally bronze. Ooh. Give myself a dirty. Boo. Okay. Do blush. So I think for my blinding highlight, I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Starlit Powder in number 13. Can anybody see me? I'm pretty much giving you the light. Ding! I think I'm going to use the ColourPop So Jaded palette by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. So I don't want to make this eye too dark because I'm going to go and make the eye kind of dark on this side. So I'm just going to probably put a few things in the crease and then put like maybe just a little shimmer on the lid and liner and whatnot. So take this shade right here called Your Gem. You know what? Who cares? We are going to go full glam on this eye. I changed my mind. Then I'm going to take this shade right here, and I think it's called Carnelian, I believe. Don't come for me if I say that wrong. I'm going to take this shade called Garnet. I think I'm going to take the glitter Topaz and put that on the lid. Totally forgot to go in. I'm going to do my eyebrow, this eyebrow. That wing is just sad. The hell is that? I don't even know. Let's just not talk about it anymore. With my LA Girl Glide On Gel Liner, gel liner. Is it gel liner? I don't know. Yeah, glide on gel liner in black on the lower lash line and in the tight line. Okay, maybe that wing isn't too horrible, but it definitely is out there. Out there. Ah, holy. That's why I hate tight lining. Now going with mascara, and I'm using the Lash Paradise by, I think it's L'Oreal. Yeah, L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. And I'm gonna go back in with those same shades that we put on the top onto the bottom. I'm gonna go in with my lashes that I use pretty much all the time because I love them so much. They are the Tati lashes in TL3. My favorites of all time. I wear these all the time. Any pictures, I'm pretty sure I'm wearing them. And I'm loving this eye look, girl. Total fall look. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So weird. Look at this. Like, so different. Now, time to get on to Pennywise. Sweet tea. I make it myself. I'm going to be using my Mayron paint palette. Don't mind it. It is so dirty because I've been using it like a lot. And some of the colors dipped into it, but it's easy to remove. But so I am going to take whatever is left. I think I can do it with this. Of this face. Of this face. Yeah, that's right, right? Yeah. I'm going to take the rest of this white and then cover it because, I mean, he's like, his face is white. Oh no. Went into the black. That would not have been good. I'm gonna set that with powder, hopefully. And I'm gonna kind of shade out that black. Guys, this is the finished look. I am so sorry if I wasn't showing you like the lines and stuff with this because I literally, this took maybe 4 tries. I didn't wipe it off because I just couldn't get it, and I probably still didn't get it that great, but whatever, it still looks like him, right? So, and then I drew the little lines so it looks like this, like, let's see, so it looks like I'm pulling it up Like I'm holding up my skin. I rubbed some of it off. Sorry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a process. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share my videos and hit the notification bell. I will link my Instagram in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my, no, that is just dumb. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and sorry if the camera shakes like that. Or not camera, computer. Alright, so, bitch. Come on, bitch. Alright, wipe off any, There we go. Come on. Why, son? Oh. Son of a... Oh. What in the world? There we go. This is just crazy. Did I fall? Oh shit. Sorry. My bad. Gosh. This highlight is like effing up the lighting. Because it's like bright. See? Watch. Back to normal. Boom. 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 No? Boom. No? Boom. No, whatever.